Okay, so this vlog is like extremely last minute, if you can even call it a vlog. Ignore my hair. I got twists. I'm finna do a twist. I'm trying to get to lay down, but I'm going to a Heated Rivalry Club 90 party and I want to vlog it. So I'm starting right here, and the next clip is probably about to be me inside of the event. Howdy. This way, I got the old phone. I got like a 10.
Is this a video or?
It's a video. I'm doing like a short, quick minute vlog. This is Alana.
Hi.
We about to take some pictures. What we finna do?
A picture right here.
We about to take pictures. Oh, we taking pictures for real.
We're going 45 minutes to wander. Look at.
We just took a picture. We're about to take some more pictures. That's a green screen, babes. Oh, that's a cute ass picture. Look at the baddest bitches to ever bitch. The baddest bitches. Oh, I'm so excited. This is gonna be so much fun. Yeah.
Party on you, yeah. Party on you, party on you, party on, 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 party on you, party on you, party on.